Hi, I'm CC. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the array command in CrownCAD's part modeling environment to efficiently replicate your design features. Model the blade. Draw the blade cross-section sketch on the XY plane. Apply constraints as shown in the left image. Extrude symmetrically by 600 mm to generate a single blade. Use the linear pattern command to generate a set of blades. Select the XY plane, start a sketch, and draw the blade support cross-section. Apply constraints as shown in the left image. Extrude symmetrically by 4 mm to generate the blade support. Use Boolean operations to merge the blade and the support. Draw a sketch on the XZ plane and use Extrude Cut to create the local structure as shown in the left image. Use the circular array command to array 4 sets of blades around the Y-axis. Use Extruded Boss Divided by Base to generate the panel and ventilation tube. That concludes the introduction to CrownCAD's array command. Now, visit www.CrownCAD.com to start your design journey.